Okay, so we had ourselves get familiar with the prerequisites to set up a hybrid exchange. So we already have our on-premise exchange 2013 in here with all the recipients, mailboxes, and this server is updated with the latest releases, cumulative updates, and Windows updates for Windows Server 2012. And we also have our server roles required for this server. And so that we have the mailbox and client access for Exchange 2013. And then we also have our Office 365 subscription set up. We currently have um, 2 licenses on this subscription. We have an E5 and Business Premium. And we also have added and verified our custom domain training demo 2013.tech on Office 365 side. And we already had synchronized our users from the local Active Directory to Office 365 with that sync status symbol. And our auto discover DNS records are all set up. And it already had passed the test. I used um, test connectivity for testing, so it passed successfully. And um, so the next step is to enable hybrid. So we go here for on your Exchange 2013, you go to hybrid, and then we're going to go click on enable. Okay, it's going to require us to sign in Office 365. Um, Coexistence, we would like it to hybrid. All right, we click on yes to set it up. And that is our domain right there. So that's our token. We will be needing this. Okay, this is our hybrid exchange token that we need to add to our DNS for later. Okay. Yes, we will configure it, CAS and mailbox, and choose one or more CAS if you have multiple CAS servers. For me, I only have one for testing. Yes, and then next. And then choose on-premise mailboxes. It's the same. Next. Okay, and click next. Right, so that is my certificate. And so next it is asking us for our FQDN or fully qualified domain name. Mine is mail.trainingdemo2013.tech. All right, and that is my admin username. And then needs Exchange Hybrid setup needs both on-premise and Office 365. So this is my Office 365 credentials. Demo 2013 dot on Microsoft.com, and of course the password. And update. So we might still get a little error because we haven't added the DNS yet. Okay, let me go ahead and add the DNS. Okay, so I have added here our TXT record for the hybrid verification, and then we will go ahead and try to rerun it back, and then we'll go ahead and hit update. It's been a minute. I already set the TTL to 1 minute, so let's try it. Okay, didn't save my password. It says on-premise credentials. All right, I'm gonna have to go back all the way. Do that. Did not complete successfully. Okay, we got an errors for the WinRM, so oh, it says username password. Okay, I think that was with this. I'm just gonna use that without the username, without the domain, I mean. Okay, that's my on-premise. And try that again. Okay, let me go ahead and check that error message and see what it's all about. All right, so I'm trying to use this Office 365 Mail Migration Administrator to set up our hybrid exchange, and there is a new version of the Office 365 hybrid configuration software that we can download from this link right here, and let's go ahead and try and run it. Oops. Okay, yeah, because the one on the um, Exchange 2013 site is outdated. And okay, so it detected our on-premise Exchange server, and that's correct. Okay, let's leave that on default, and it got my admin account, and let's just sign into our Office 365 online account. Okay, that is correct, and our password. Okay, that looks good, and let's go and hit next. Okay, yeah, so this is the regular screen that we see using the new version of the hybrid configuration wizard. Okay, we'll just wait for that to finish configuring. Already had succeeded with our on-premise exchange. Okay, and next. All right, so I'm using full hybrid configuration on this um, Exchange 2013 hybrid. So let's do that next. And we got that. Let's see, ULPA. Let's make sure that that is correct. I usually would just put it right below it to make sure that it is right. Yep, we got that. And I have already, so let's verify it. It's for the domain ownership. Okay, it did. And so we have two options for the hybrid topology here. Use Exchange Classic Hybrid Topology or the Modern. So I'd like to use the Modern. All right, let's do that. Okay. Enter our on-premise Exchange admin password again. Okay, and next. Okay, and this is our Office 365. Okay. All right, so validate a hybrid agent for Exchange usage. We'll go click next, and I'm going to do advance and enable centralized mail transport. So I want to use my CAS. I don't have an edge transport server. So I'm going to click next, and that's my receive connector for on-premise, and that's the same server for my send connector. And that's my certificate, correct? And that's my FQDN. And let's do update. Now this is where we got an error using the native hybrid configuration wizard for Exchange 2013, but this is the one with the Office 365 hybrid configuration, and this is what we usually use. And you can guide our customers through this whole process by using the Office 365 Mail Migration Advisor. So we'll just wait for this to finish, and then we'll see if it goes through. If we didn't miss any other prerequisite. All right, as you can see, it's almost done. We're on the MRS proxy setting. We'll just wait again for it to finish. And there you go. Congratulations. Our hybrid services are now configured between Exchange Online, your Office 365 tenant, and our Office 365 Exchange on-premise Exchange 2013. Right, I don't want that, and I'll just hit close. Now let's go back to our on-premise Exchange 2013. Just refresh that. Okay, now we will know that it's fully configured because we can switch between on-premise and Office 365. Now let's go check our Office 365 mailboxes. So I have one there, and I have a few more here for the on-premise. All right, so that is for our hybrid configuration wizard. And just to share a little bit about the error message that we had earlier, first, I was running the hybrid configuration wizard using Chrome, and it's a requirement that you have to run it with the Internet Explorer because it won't work. And we have to configure this. So Internet Explorer browser, and then you have to configure automatic prompting for ActiveX control and set it to enabled. And also the error message that we got earlier was because of the outdated um, this error message is because of the outdated hybrid configuration wizard that was included in our on-premise exchange. So don't use this, use the hybrid configuration wizard, and you have the link here if you run the Office 365 mail migration advisor. All right, thank you so much.